I have quite a large garden and lots of different hedges which surround the whole of the garden, and so I cut them twice a year, normally in April and October. I love the battery hedge trimmer because it's really light and it's really versatile to use because I can just turn it around. It's also really quiet, so I can use it any time of the day and it won't disturb anybody, and it's also good for my hearing because it's just not noisy at all. I wasn't sure to start with a battery hedge trimmers because I've used a petrol hedge trimmer before and it's very heavy and very noisy, whereas this, since I've been using it, it's very quiet, it's light, it's really easy to use, and the battery life is really, really good. I give my Husqvarna battery hedge trimmer 5 out of 5 stars because basically it's very easy to use and it's very light.